Hello, everybody. We've got a sad but important decision to talk about today on the 3 o'clock news. So, yesterday, the BBC News reported on the outcome of a trial that was heard before the South Tyneside Magistrates Court. You might be aware that back in September 2020, a little girl, Ella Henderson, was actually killed by a tree which fell over in the schoolyard when she was outside playing in windy weather. Um, this was a claim that was brought by the police and the health and safety executive against the Newcastle City Council. The claim was brought under Section 3(1) of the Health and Safety at Work Act. And the claim against the Newcastle City Council was that they failed to carry out a reasonable inspection of the tree, and that led to the tree failing. What happened was the council did do an inspection. So back in 2018, the council did carry out an inspection of the tree. They identified the tree, the willow tree, as showing signs of decay. But sadly, that condition report was sent to the incorrect school. So it wasn't the school where the tree was located that actually had a copy of the report, which said that there was decay and some action needed to be taken to remove the tree. So it seems to flag up that there was some systematic failures in taking action, and that there was a chunk of time in which action could have been taken to stop this tree failure and to minimize the risk to the pupils in the school. The Newcastle City Council actually admitted the claim. They admitted that they failed to inspect the tree properly, and they also admitted that they failed to inform the school following receipt of the condition report. The outcome of the magistrate's decision was that there was a fine of £280,000 made to the Newcastle City Council, and also they had to pay legal costs of £8,020. When the parents of Ella Henderson were asked to give a statement at the end, not only did they obviously express extreme sadness at the very, very sad loss of their daughter, but they said that they hoped that lessons would be learned from this and feel that there needs to be better education and better information around which trees are appropriate for school playgrounds and the size that those trees should be allowed to grow to. So, a very sad story here from the BBC News, but one that is important to reflect on to make sure that nothing like that happens again in the future.